Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about keywords. Now, in the previous video, we talked about why long tail keywords are important and why we need to use them to rank our affiliate blogs. Now, this is the keyword planner that you'll be able to use for free. There are free and paid, of course, there's paid SEO websites that will allow you to do your keyword research so that you can cherry pick the best, the highest volume keywords with the lowest competition so that you guys can rank your keywords on the first page of Google and grab that search traffic. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is just showing you guys a free strategy to find these long tail keywords, as well as some paid tools that I am currently using and I recommend, and some tools that you guys can check out for yourself. So if you go to ads.google.com and you have a Gmail account, you can sign into your back office here. If you go to tools and settings and keyword planner, this takes you to discover new keywords where you can now enter in whatever niche your affiliate blog is going to be about. Now, I've created a blog specifically for this course called the Go Green Method, which is going to be more or less about sustainable products in a variety of niches, but it's all going to be the eco-friendly, sustainable products that people are after. Okay, so this is where you will try to do your keyword research. You can start with either a website or you can start with the keyword. Now, I'll type in one of the categories of my blog is toys. So sustainable or eco-friendly toys for kids. So we'll type in eco toys kind of as our keyword, and we'll see what the Google Ads keyword planner gives us. So on this page, what it's doing is it is giving us all of the keywords that it determined has fallen within this broad keyword, this eco toys. And if we scroll down, we'll see how many, but there's 1 through 161. So if we scroll to the bottom, we can see 161, and you can also see that right here. There are 161 keyword ideas that fall under eco toys. Now, this is broken down by the keyword, how often the monthly searches are for that particular keyword, and this is very generic where it doesn't give you the exact amount. It's, it's 100 to 1,000, it's 100 to 1,000 here, and you can keep scrolling down and you can see they're all generally between 10 and 100 and 1,000. Then it shows you which keywords are being searched more often in this 3-month change. So this will give you an idea that this particular keyword is being searched more within the last 3 months, indicated by this percentage. Now, the year-over-year change, you have the competition, and this competition is going to tell you whether it's going to be a low competition, which means it'll be easier to rank for that particular keyword, medium, and then high. High just means it's going to be a lot harder to rank for this particular keyword. Along the top here, it says broaden your search. What this is doing is just giving you different kind of ad groups, right? Kind of keyword groups to go after. So eco clothes, eco gifts, eco shoes, eco cosmetics, right? These are all different kind of categories. When you click this, it's going to give you a whole, probably another 100, 200, 300 more keyword ideas that you can go after. The best way that you can use this free tool is to do this search. Then you can download your keyword ideas just by hitting this download keyword idea hyperlink. And you can either download it straight to a CSV file or Google Sheets. And what you'll want to do once that gets downloaded to your computer is you'll want to sort it by the low, medium, and high, right? So if we click on this and we scroll down, you can see here that here's eco teething toys is low competition. So this would be something that would be one of the first keywords that you would want to go after within this particular category, this keyword family. You'll want to go for these low ones because these will be the easiest to rank for. It really is that simple with the keyword planner from Google. And what you'll do is you'll just download everything, have a running either Google Sheet or CSV file, Excel file, and then you can just start ranking them starting from the lowest and grabbing these keywords and then starting to figure out how you want to write your article and going after these particular keywords. Now, there are paid tools, and I'm going to talk about some other free methods in following lessons, but there are paid tools that you can use that can go a lot more in depth, more than what the keyword planner does for you. And one of those tools that I use is by Chase Reiner. He is an SEO master. He is somebody who has been doing professional SEO work for small, medium, and large businesses. And he created this tool specifically for SEO and to outshine your competitors. This is a tool that I've been using now for just a couple months, and it is by far one of the best tools that I have used to find long tail keywords, to do website audits, to figure out, how to rank, for particular keywords, what your competitors are ranking for and how you can beat them, and so on and so forth. Okay. So it allows you to check, domain traffic, unlock your competitors' keywords. Like I said, audits. And one of the best things is that you can actually get your writers and build teams on the back end here, and you can get them access to the back end, your dashboard of your ShineRanker tool. And you can actually set up, do all of your project management for all of your content writing and everything, and have them upload their documents, based off of different keywords inside of the ShineRanker tool. I know this doesn't make a lot of sense to you guys right now, but I'll do a quick demo of the ShineRanker tool in a future video. Now, that's the ShineRanker tool. The next one I suggest is Ubersuggest. I also have a unlimited license to Ubersuggest. Now, the prices on all these are generally around $50 to $100 a month. If you sign up for Ubersuggest, you will pay around that amount. If you cancel or try to cancel your Ubersuggest, here's a little inside tip. You'll actually be prompted to go through kind of like an upsells and downsells. If you go all the way through their upsells and downsells and decline them all the way to the end, you can actually purchase an unlimited license, a forever license to Ubersuggest for about $100. Okay, instead of paying the $50 per month for maybe their lower tier. So Ubersuggest is something that you will see when I do my searches and subsequent videos. You'll see Ubersuggest. They also have a Chrome extension, and the software has a lot of capabilities to do a lot of different things. So I use Ubersuggest in combination with the ShineRanker tool when I do my keyword research. Another one that's super popular is Ahrefs. And you can see here, it is not for the faint of heart. It is an expensive tool because it is a market leader. It's one of the best SEO tools that website developers and bloggers and people use. Businesses use this tool to get ahead of their competitors. It is the best on the market right now. But of course, it's going to be the most expensive. What I would do if you wanted access to this, so you can get a 7-day free trial for $7. You can get access to Ahrefs and then do all of your keyword research for the year. And I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it actually does not take, as long as you know what niche and what keywords you want to go after, you can use this tool to get literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of keywords that you can go after. And this tool will allow you, just like any other tool, to rank higher and get more traffic. So I'll leave a link down below for Ahrefs. Again, if you don't want to pay the $100 per month, you can just do the $7. And then within 7 days, you can do all of your keyword research for the year. The next tool is keywordtool.io. Now, this is, again, just like these other websites that I'm showing you. Keywordtool.io is just another keyword tool. They have a pricing plan, and it's an option. All of these tools generally do the same thing. Some do have their cons, some have their pros over the other websites, but just understand that keywordtool.io is another resource for you, as well as Keywords Everywhere. Most of these websites, they all have Chrome extensions as well. And that way, when you're doing any kind of Google research or anything, you'll see a lot of the search volume for particular keywords, and you'll also see the cost per click. So how much, if you were to run paid ads for those particular keywords, how much you can expect to pay. So keywordseverywhere.com is another website that you can use. And here's an example of the Chrome store here, the Keywords Everywhere keyword tool. You can install this on your computer for free, and it will give you basic access to the keyword tool. And only once you upgrade on their website can you get, so you can see here, you have to, Keywords Everywhere, it goes by credits. So however often you use it, if you're going to be using it every single day, then you might want to buy a lot more credits. But if you're only going to be using it for, so one credit is equals one keyword, right? So if you want to go after, 100,000 credits, 100,000 keywords, there you go. It'd be a $10 purchase. All right. And the last one is a free website that you can do a couple searches on per day. And you can see here, I typed in eco toys. It's called answerthepublic.com. And answerthepublic.com is unique. It doesn't have all of the features like some of these other websites have. But what it does is it gives you an idea what people are typing for a specific keyword, what questions they're asking. So when I typed in eco toys, some of the questions that they're asking are wooden toys eco-friendly? Are HAPE toys eco-friendly? What are eco-friendly toys? Are wooden toys better for the environment? So these are great content ideas. Okay, so these are all great content ideas that you can loop in other keywords into, but there's keywords built into each one of these that answer a specific question. So Answer the Public is a great resource. Again, you can only get a couple searches per day unless you upgrade to their Pro plan, and I'll leave a link also below to Answer the Public if you guys are interested in that. Okay, so that is the keyword planner, some free resources and some paid resources, the ones that I currently am using. Like I said before, I will be doing follow-up videos kind of diving in deeper into how you can use some of these tools to do your keyword research. All right, we'll see you on the next video.